Drummers strumming, lemon pipers piping 10, goes 9. Ladies gazing 8, maids of milk and 7, swan 6, gates of lane 5, gold.
What up, it's me and Bay. We finna go to Walmart. We finna go do some Christmas shopping. We got Christmas cookies to get. Homemade Christmas cookies.
Alright, we going to Walmart so that we can get the ingredients for our cookies we're gonna bake tonight. So stay tuned. We'll be back.
I'm putting my hat on my front.
A few moments later.
Remix the twisted grape.
How about just a salad? Are you getting chicken or
We
not?
doing stuffed salmon.
We are doing a salad. Yes, please. Put the shrimp back. Wow. Let's go.
You want stuffed salmon?
No.
You want light brown sugar? We need some light brown.
What we need that for?
Did you see the video?
Oh. I don't remember that.
I don't know how much
Alright,
we
what's the
have
baking
left.
powder? Each item. Baking
With my face next to it.
We're gonna use that for the for the thumbnail. All right, what else? No, it was something else we need. Oh, baking soda. No, we have that.
Remember about the big one?
What was the other one?
Baking powder, baking soda. Baking powder. What's the other baking? Flour.
Baking bake.
Flour. Yeah. Shoot, I had it in my hand and I was asking and it said something to her. So, do we need anything else?
Oh, I needed some plates.
Okay, plates, yogurt.
Well, let's grab that. We can grab that on the way back. The plates.
Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your
That's how,
bring your keys
yeah.
and the pencils.
Say what's up to you too, bro.
Just like you ride me. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It says they can be used interchangeably.
It says no, though. That's the first word. Hold on.
So much to live for, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Oh, hold on. Come here. Look. All the good deli is gone. Everybody buying it up.
But they said you can use it.
Look. We need to get this cinnamon right here. Ooh, Watkins.
That's the best.
That's a good brand right there.
You want me to get it?
We don't have to get it. You got the card all in the world, Lord Jesus.
You sure?
Yes.
That shit smells good.
Close it. Okay, let's go. So you be high on cinnamon. Where the pajamas at?
Oh, I like this one. But I would want a different design. Yeah. I mean, that's okay. I would want it to
This
be
one
more,
is a cow.
more thought into, more effort put into it.
I don't want nobody to steal our hot dog.
Oh,
I wanted one, but it's too big. Jasmine, you know this is too big. I don't want it to be falling off.
But don't you want to have some room? We're gonna be eating Christmas food.
I ain't gonna, girl.
But you know where I get mine from? I get mine.
I like Nightmare Before Christmas. You know I like Halloween, and it's Halloween and Christmas mixed together. That's the perfect combination.
You know where I usually get mine from? JCPenney's. And they only 20. All of them.
How much are these? Oh.
22. But I mean, I don't know if you want to.
I mean, I don't want to get it right now.
But I was just telling you. That's where all of my other ones came from, except for the Spencer's one, the Jason one.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm just beach views feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an emphasis on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheap beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Jasmine, we are adults. Can we go? That is for kids.
You know, that would be cute for Yeah, they got one for Dobie. What
Oh,
size?
great. You want to record him ripping it up? Because that's what's going to happen. Talking about what size is he? Too big? Too big for that. Too damn big for that. That is for a small dog kids. Fuck out of here.
Babe, but look, they got a big dog on the picture.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
They squeezed his ass up.
Jasmine, I really want you to be serious.
You sure this gonna fit me?
Should I get one of these cookies? We don't have a cookie jar. Jasmine sold the cookies in the cookie jar. Okay, please. We just left Walmart.
Walk to the car.
I can't. I would have to flip it around. Trying to show us too.
Oh yeah.
We got the
Groceries.
groceries.
A few moments later.
Hey y'all, what's up? I'm back with another YouTube video, and tonight I'm about to unbox my PlayStation 5. Don't do that when you unbox it. Alright, so first we're gonna just take off the tape. And we're gonna do a 360 spin. See how the box looks. It says that it comes with Fortnite. And this did come from Target, y'all. Y'all can get y'all from everywhere. GameStop, Target, Walmart. They all got them.
Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things started getting pissed off. Thinking nigga have a son and finish up.
I feel like I just want to turn it upside down and shake it out. And it's working like that. Boom. So, we got a white box. First thing, at the top of the box, you get the power cord. And it comes with one controller. So if you want more than one controller, you have to buy it.
Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Baby girl, you know.
I love the way this controller feels, y'all, because it's so thick. And this is the PlayStation 4 controller. See, look. You see how small it is, and you see how thick this one is? I like that. I like it. This feels more comfortable. But then this one, I wouldn't mind going back and using this one too. And I don't know if y'all know, but you can actually sync this PlayStation 4 controller to play on your PlayStation 5. You just gotta YouTube it. But it's a way to use both controllers. Okay, so, I like this because it actually comes with everything. So, I got an HDMI. It already came with it, and I have something to charge my PlayStation. So, this feels kind of slim, y'all. Is this the slim version? Or is this the original? I don't see it on the box, but it feels kind of thin. You gotta be careful, don't you? Okay. So, let me be careful. I'm gonna sling this thing. Y'all, this look kind of slim, don't it? Wow. I like this. It's a disc version. They have another one that's not the disc. Alexa, off. I mean, that's Siri. My bad, yo. I'm tripping. She messing up my damn video. But, yeah, so this is the disc version. And they have one where you could just play basically all online. I like the disc version because I do have some games. I want to play GTA online. So, yeah, this look like the newest PlayStation 5 that came out, y'all. Because I've seen an older version of this and it looked like it was heavier. So, we finna give this a try. We're going to hook it up. It came with Fortnite. And when it come with a game, they just give you a code now. They don't give you the game. I wish they would give you the physical game, but I get it. I guess that would be a lot of games they would be just giving out for free. A lot of disc copies. So, that's that, y'all. You gotta hook everything up, plug it into the TV. We're gonna put it on the big screen, see how it turn out, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna be streaming too, so check me out.